Hey guys, it's Travis Franco again, and I'm here just showing you my afternoon hanging out in the woods. So, I'm going to start my trip out by just getting a little kindling and firewood going. These dry leaves here always burn wonderfully. That's it for now. I'll show you what I get. Now that I'm out here in the woods though, I figured I would start by just filming a couple of videos for you guys. You'll probably see these come out in the next couple of weeks, so keep an eye out, okay? Hey guys, just got done filming a couple of videos, and I realized I forgot to mention the reason I'm just spending an afternoon out here. So it is August 8th, I want to say, in the middle of summer here in North Carolina. It's really hot out. If I try to sleep in a tent tonight, I'm going to die. So I'm just going to go ahead, probably film another video, then I'll get to cooking, and I'll show you guys what I'm having for dinner. Alright guys, I just finished up with the last video, and we're going to try my hand on something I've never really tried before, and that is cooking over a campfire. So I got my campfire going right here. I know I got the pot on a little early, the flames are still pretty high. I don't know much about cooking, but we'll see how this goes. Alright, today I got a nice little New York strip, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on the fire. Well guys, I focused so much on cooking instead of filming that I didn't really get anything, and I still ruined a good steak. So I plan to do a lot more of these so I can get better at cooking, especially over the campfire, and hopefully the next one will be better. You want to see my steak? Just black on that side. I don't know about the other side. It's still probably raw in the middle. I gotta cut it open and see. Woo. Here's my dying fire. See, that's probably what I should have cooked under, right? I have no idea. Sounds nice though. I thought I'd film my first bite here, and it looks pretty dang dry. So let's see. Definitely gonna take some time chewing. I have to get better at this. Bye. Hey guys, it's Travis again. It's the next morning. I'm sitting here at my desk looking over on my footage from yesterday, and I realized I didn't really record anything after the steak. I kind of just packed up and left. So sorry about that, but there really wasn't too much more. I just kind of drove home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about that dang steak, because that was horrendous. I ended up going home and having dinner. Alright. Thank you guys so much. I hope you get outside and enjoy. He gone.